Noisy police car. Noisy police car is busy, keeping the town safe. There's an emergency call and she whizzes to the rescue. Nino. Buses blocking the road, so police car helps the officer to direct the traffic. The mechanic gives bus a new tyre and police car sets off on her way. Police car gets a message on the radio. Daisy the cow has escaped from the farm. When police car gets there, she finds a trail of footprints and follows them. At the end of the footprint trail, police car finds Daisy in Mrs. Blossom's garden. "Thank you, police car," says the farmer. "It's been a very busy day."